So let me show you guys how to download and install Google Antigravity on your Windows 11. So first, open your browser and search Antigravity and press enter. So from here, click the official link antigravity.google. So from here, click download for Windows. Scroll down. And since we want to download for Windows, so there are other options for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. So click download for Windows. So wait for the file to be downloaded. So the download is complete. So let's continue with our setup. So right click and click open. So it's installing. So Google Antigravity has already been created on our desktop. So let's open the shortcut. So it's loading Antigravity. So give it time. So from here, you can select the sign-in process. So I'll continue with Google. So I'll select an account. So from here, I'll click sign in. So you'll get a pop-up that this site is trying to open Antigravity. So click open. So security notice and data use. So you can click next, next. So build with Google. For now, I won't check any of the options. So I'll click finish. And this is the interface of Google Antigravity. So when you click Antigravity, you can see that the latest version is version 2.0.6. If you want to create maybe a project, you can click on this folder and either click new project or a quick start. So let's say you can start with create a good looking HTML code together, CSS, and you can see that it's working. And again, so when it's working, when you click on this Gemini 3.5 AI model, you can see that we have other AI models involved. So that's how basically to download and install Google Antigravity on a Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.